Hello students, I hope you all are fine and you all are practicing maths at home. So after completing chapter 8, we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter 9. Chapter 9, Geometry or Geometrical Shape. So what do you understand by the word geometry? Geometrical comes from the word geometry. What is the meaning of geometry? Geometry means anything that has proper shape is called geometry. For example, I am showing you this is a substance of this kind of shape. Does it have a proper geometry? No. So we cannot say that this substance is having proper geometry. Okay, see, this is a substance. Can you say this particular substance is having a proper shape? No. So this is not having any geometrical shapes. Okay. Geometrical shape means anything that has proper breadth and length. Okay. See, this is a diagram. It is having proper width and proper length. Okay. This is a proper geometrical shape. Geometrical shape. This is a proper geometrical shape. Okay. So this part of the shape is called breadth, breadth, or width, width. This portion is called breadth or width. Okay, and this particular portion is called length. Clear? What is breadth and what is length? I hope you have understood. So any shape which is having proper length and breadth are called geometrical shape. Okay. So in your book some examples are given. Just look at this example. This is a square. A square is having four sides: AB, BC, CD and DA. Okay, it is having four sides. And vertices. What is the meaning of vertices? Vertices means corners. So how many corners it is having? It is having four corners: A, B, C, D. Okay. Next comes rectangle. See, a rectangle. Rectangle is also having four sides: PQ, QR, RS, SP. It is having four sides: PQ, QR, RS, SP. And it is having four vertices: P, Q, R, S. Okay. So both square and rectangle looks the same, but they are not actually same. There is a difference between square and rectangle. Look at square. In square you will find all the sides of square are same. All the sides of the square are same. But in rectangle, two sides, that is width, this is the width or breadth and this is also the width and breadth. This side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Okay. All the sides are not equal to each other. The opposite sides are only equal to each other. So if SP is the side, the opposite side of SP is QR. So the opposite side of SP is QR. So SP is equal to QR. Side SP is equal to side QR. Similar way, side SR is equal to side PQ. Okay. Opposite side of SR is PQ. So side SR is equal to side PQ. This is the property of a rectangle and this is the difference between a rectangle and a square. Now comes a triangle. A triangle. Okay. Any body which is having three vertices. See, it is having three vertices. Sorry, three vertices: Y, Z, X. So it is having three vertices and three sides: XY, YZ, and then YX or XY. See, XY, YZ, ZX. It is having three sides and three vertices: X, Y, Z. So this is a triangle. Now comes a circle. A circle don't have any side, it does not have any width, it does not have any length, but it is having a proper shape. So we can say this is a geometrical shape which is called circle. Okay, it is a circle, a round figure. So let's go to the exercise. In the exercise, just do this as your homework. Okay, some examples of squares are, you can do it by yourself. I am just giving you one example. A dice. See, this is a dice. This is a dice. It is a square shape. Okay, a dice is square shape. Rectangle. Same anything that looks like rectangle. Okay, our duster, our school duster is a rectangular shape. Then circle. What is like circle? What looks like circle? Okay, bangles. Our mother is wearing bangles. Okay, our moms are wearing bangles. That bangles are circular in shape, or the cricket ball or football. Okay. So then comes true or false. A line has a fixed length. Is it true or false? See, this is a line. This is a line, but does it have a fixed length? I can continue it as much I can. So it does not have a fixed length. But here it has given a line has a fixed length, so it is false. A ray has one end point. A ray has one end point. That means a ray, this is called a ray. It will start from here, so this is the end point, and it will continue. And it will continue. So it has one end point, and it continues from that end point till infinity. It will go on. It will go on. So it has one fixed end point. Okay. This is called a ray. So this is true. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Okay, I have said you previously that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Just say this thing. Opposite side of this is this. So this one is equal to this one, and RS is equal to PQ, because opposite side of RS is PQ. So it is true. Am I clear? Then the diagonals of a square are of different lengths. No, this is wrong. The diagonals of a square are of same length. So we should know what is diagonals of a square. Suppose this is a square. Suppose this is a square and this is the diagonal. This is called the diagonal. Okay, this is called the diagonal, and here